Okay, I'm here. Let me get in here and see exactly what do they mean by no start. All right. Let me take this key here. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh, y'all hear that? Uh-oh. Spinning over way too fast, people. Let me pop the hood and see if there's anything visual. I don't have an assistant to spin this over while I look at things, but I would attempt to do this myself. Remember what I said about visual inspection? Gotta do it on every car. At least I do. Alright, so from the sound of that, it sounds like no compression. Because this PT Cruiser has a cheap, a sneak peek cover in it, in the side. If you suspect the timing belt is broken, simply remove this peephole cover right here. Now, what I'm gonna do is mark. Okay, I got a line right there and a line right there. And I'm gonna spin this car over. If these lines do not move, that means the cams are not turning. Okay? Now, I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me turn this camera around like this. Now, I'm finna spin it over and see if that little gray mark moves. Okay? I'm gonna try to set this right here. Wow, I spin it over. All right, here we go. Now, I want to see, did it move? Did the marks move? Did they, or did they not? And from what I see, that mark did not move. That same little mark that I wrote, or that I etched in the cam gear, is still at the same spot. So, ladies and gentlemen, that means the camshafts are not turning. Possibly the timing belt has broken. All right. Okay, after removing the inspection cover plate, the cam, I find, and then spinning it over, I find that the cam gears are not turning. So what that tells me is the camshaft, either the timing belt broken or something has seized up. But it's turning over way too fast with no compression. So I would essentially say a teardown time. I'm gonna basically end up probably needing the timing belt is possibly broken. 86,000 miles, people. That's why I say the book says 102. Do not wait that long. This car has 86,000 miles on it. All right, and if you want proof, can y'all see that? Yes, 86,000 miles. Do not wait an extended period of time replacing your timing belt, because it will bite you in the end. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Alrighty, guys, here we go. 2003 model. Y'all see this PT Cruiser, guys? I normally don't see these, especially at that year model. What we got here? 99,000 miles? 99,000. It's not even 100,000 miles on this thing. Supposedly the check engine light on. Uh-oh. I don't see it on. That doesn't mean there's not code stored in the memory. Oh, I'm hearing growling noise. Y'all hear that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute. Guys, let's go under the hood. Check something. I don't want to be blamed for a inert thing. Uh-oh, y'all see that new motor mount? Somebody's been under here. Alright, guys, this is a hashtag short video. Y'all know me. I love these cars. I'm going to find out what it is. I'm going to get back with y'all, so y'all stay tuned for part 2. Well, look at what we have here, guys. Seems it got approved, guys. So the customer actually want to, wait a minute. This ain't right, guys. I said center motor mount. This is the upper motor mount. So they got me the wrong motor mount. However, they're going to go ahead on with a full-blown timing belt job, I guess. Okay, I got the tensioner right here. Hey, OEM water pump, baby. Yeah, OEM, Mopar, or no car. None of that Derman stuff over here, guys. We're using a Mopar water pump. Okay. Oh, okay. This is my idler, timing belt, tension, and pulling. So I got work to do, guys. I didn't know if they was gonna approve this or not. So y'all know the drill. Timing belt job. I can't film a complete timing belt job, but I will go get the AC machine so I can drain the refrigerant out of the system. I have to open this up, guys. I'm not gonna fight with this like I see a lot of people doing. Just get it out of my way. Yeah, I don't need this mount. They already replaced this. I need that center mount. So he got it wrong. Let me go return this and get the right one. Stay tuned. All right, so this is my puller, guys. I don't know. I guess it's worn out. It won't stay on. It won't get a good bite on the pulley. All right, so I'm going to show y'all the JT hack way to get this off using your worn out. It's not really worn out. It's just not grabbing real good. Let me show y'all what I do. Now, I know a lot of you guys got the pulleys that have the little wedge thingies that go right in between here, and they hold the arms onto the pulley, so you don't need to do everything I just did. So if you have that one, definitely use that one. I have that one, but I don't know what my little wedge thing is. The point is, work with what you got. This is what I got right now. This is not a bad thing. Just saying, I'm using what I got, and I decided to show it on a video. I'm okay with this, but you may not be. If you're not okay with this, go and buy the correct tool needed to do the job. Guys, I got work to do. Ready, guys. 2.4 multi-air. All right, this is in a Dodge Dart. Now this engine is in multiple vehicle, but what I'm getting ready to do is a purge valve. I had a code for a purge valve. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. You know the operation of the purge valve, right? It's designed to purge those vapors from the vapor canister back into the engine at a predetermined time in order for those vapors to burn. Okay, yeah, you can't just keep storing vapors in a charcoal canister. You have to relieve it at some point. Now we're getting ready to replace it. Where's it located, guys? Let's find out. And what do you know, underneath all this rubber covering, there is the purge valve, guys. So now you see where it's at. Just a matter of unhooking it and hooking in your new one and retest the purge operation. Okay, I'm done.